Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia, Turok here, and welcome back to another property tour. Today I have a special guest with me.
Hello everyone, Stockton Miller here from Century 21 Sheets in the US. What are we checking out today, Lucia?
Today we will be touring 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment in Mayfair next to Grosvenor Square. So the apartment is on South Audley Street. Let's have a look together.
Let's check it out.
So Stockton, this apartment has 1,125 square feet and is on the 6th floor. We are in super prime location in heart of Mayfair, close to Bond Street, where you have a luxurious boutiques and fine dining.
I'm excited to see it.
Let's have a look. When you enter the building, you are welcomed by beautiful and luxurious lobby with amazing chandeliers.
Yeah, it's a great setup for what's to come in the apartment upstairs.
Stockton, let me take you through this beautiful apartment. This is a living area. What do you think?
It's a great space, great natural light, and I love how it's just open concept into the kitchen.
From dining area, let me take you to the chef's kitchen. We are in modern and sleek kitchen. Let me show you fitted appliances. So you have a fridge freezer here, you have a microwave and oven, hob and extractor hood.
And then a great built-in dishwasher and a really nice wine cooler.
From the open plan living area, let me take you to the ensuite bedroom.
And this bedroom has great natural light. I love the corner windows, the built-in wardrobes. It's a great place to spend some time.
Yes, and you have a beautiful view overlooking Mayfair rooftops. This principal bedroom is very spacious, and look, Stockton, you can see even Hyde Park from here. We are on 6th floor.
It's a great view.
Let me take you to the bathroom. Very modern bathroom. Imagine to have a bath here.
It's a great spa-like bath.
Let me take you to the second bedroom.
I'm excited to see it. And this could be a great home office, the second bedroom.
Yeah, for sure, with amazing views. You have a fitted wardrobes here, and now let me take you to ensuite bathroom. In this bathroom, you have a rainfall shower, toilet, and sink. Opposite of the second bedroom, you have a guest toilet on this side. And then utility room is here with a washer dryer. This apartment is listed with Century 21 London Central office for sale. And thank you, Stockton, for coming today from Century 21 Sheets to view this apartment with me.
Thanks for having me.
If you would like to book your private viewing, just contact me directly and I will leave you all the details in the description box. Also, if you would like to explore this apartment on your own, you can check 360 virtual tour. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to follow Stockton's Instagram. And if you are looking for properties in London or in Bloomington, just contact Stockton. Bye.
Bye for now. Good.